Imagine a world where your glasses aren't just an accessory but a full-blown personal assistant, translator, and multimedia hub. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the kicker. This isn't fiction anymore. Rokid, a company that's been making waves in the tech world, is about to roll out its futuristic AR smart glasses next month. And trust me, these aren't your average pair of specs. Just a few months after their sneak peek at CES 2025, Rokid is ready to take the wraps off its cutting-edge creation. While competitors like Meta are busy refining AI assistants and cameras for their wearable devices, Rokid has gone above and beyond by integrating an actual display into their glasses. Ahead of IFA 2025, they gave BGR and other media outlets a hands-on preview of what could be the next big leap in wearable technology. So what makes these glasses so special? Let's dive in. The Rokid glasses come packed with features that make them stand out from the crowd. They boast a 12-megapixel point-of-view camera, a dual-eye monochrome display that lets you read information while wearing them, and a built-in AI assistant to handle everyday queries. One of the standout functionalities is real-time translation, powered by ChatGPT. This feature alone could revolutionize how we communicate across language barriers. Picture yourself in a bustling German bar, seamlessly switching between Mandarin and English during a conversation. Sounds impressive, doesn't it? But here's where things get really interesting. These glasses don't scream futuristic in appearance. In fact, if you saw someone wearing them on the street, you'd probably assume they were just regular glasses. It's only when you put them on that you realize there's more to them than meets the eye. The reflection from the display might even trick you into thinking it's just an anti-reflective coating. Sneaky, right? So how do they work? The glasses respond to 3 types of commands. You can slide and tap the outer arm to navigate the menu. Press a dedicated button for taking photos or recording videos. And interact with Rokid's AI assistant via voice commands. What's more, the user interface has a charming retro vibe reminiscent of old Game Boy games. Think simple text boxes and straightforward navigation. Whether you're listening to music, using the live translation feature, or relying on a teleprompter, the experience feels intuitive. Plus, many of these functions can also be accessed through Rokid's companion app on your smartphone. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Are these glasses perfect? Not quite. During my testing, I found the menu navigation a bit finicky due to the imprecise outer sensor. The live translation feature, while impressive in theory, was slow to process conversations in real time, especially in noisy environments. That said, it did work well enough to hold a bilingual conversation in a loud setting. According to Rokid, the ideal scenario would involve both parties wearing the glasses, which would create a seamless back-and-forth translation experience. Of course, this relies heavily on a stable internet connection, something to keep in mind if you're considering these glasses for travel or outdoor use. I also tried out the teleprompter feature, and I have to say, it felt incredibly useful for public speaking scenarios like keynotes or presentations. You can set the scrolling speed to match your pace, or manually adjust it using the outer sensor. It's not perfect, but it gets the job done. Imagine delivering a flawless speech without needing to memorize every line. It's almost like having a safety net for your thoughts. Now the million-dollar question. Should you buy these glasses? Priced at around $500, they're part of a highly successful Kickstarter campaign that's already garnered significant attention. Early adopters will receive a charging case with their purchase, and the glasses can also be powered via a cable connected to a power bank, much like Apple's Vision Pro. However, battery life remains a concern. According to Rokid's website, the glasses can last up to 6 hours when used for music playback, but video recording is limited to just 1 minute at a time. Additionally, I encountered some challenges while trying to listen to music and interacting with the AI assistant in noisy environments due to poor internet connectivity. Despite these limitations, I was genuinely impressed by what Rokid has achieved so far. These glasses offer a glimpse into the future of wearable tech, but they're not without their growing pains. If you're someone who loves experimenting with tomorrow's gadgets today, then these glasses might be worth the investment. Oh, and if you wear prescription lenses, don't worry. You can attach custom lenses to the frames. Because hey, At the end of the day, they're still glasses. And this is the part most people miss. Technology like this isn't just about convenience. It's about reimagining how we interact with the world around us. Sure, the Rokid glasses may not be perfect yet, but they're a bold step forward. So, here's a thought-provoking question for you. Would you trade a bit of convenience now for the chance to shape the future of communication and wearable tech? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think.